In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Shopify store password. This is really useful if your online store is currently password protected and you want to quickly see what password visitors need to enter or just confirm what's already set up. I'll walk you through the process step by step and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. This is the main control panel where you manage products, orders, themes, and all your store settings. Once you're on the admin homepage, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation. From that left panel, find the option labeled Online Store. It usually appears under the Sales Channels section. Click on Online Store. When you do that, a set of additional options will drop down underneath it. These options relate to how your store appears to customers. In that expanded list under Online Store, click on Preferences. This is where Shopify groups a lot of important settings related to your storefront, including SEO, analytics, and what we care about here, store access. Once the Preferences page loads, look towards the top section of the page for a card or box labeled Store Access. Shopify sometimes adjusts the layout slightly, but this section should be near the top, and it's dedicated to controlling who can see your store. Inside the Store Access card, you'll see options related to password protection. If password protection is currently turned on, there will be a toggle or checkbox indicating that your store is password protected. When this is enabled, only people who have the password can view your online store. On the same card, you'll see a text box that displays the current store password. This is the password your visitors must enter to access your site. This is where you can check what your active password is. If the password protection is turned off, this text box may be hidden or inactive, and that simply means your store is publicly accessible without a password. If you're just checking the password, you don't need to change anything. But if you decide to update it, you can type a new password into that box and save your changes. Just remember to share the new password with anyone who needs access. And that's all you need to do to check your Shopify store password from the admin dashboard.